Hi guys, welcome back to our Weintek-Mas series. We're bringing you 12 straight days of videos, and in today's video we're gonna go through the top most common easy access questions with Brendan here. And then, so let's start off. What is easy access?
Easy Access, or Easy Access 2.0, is a VPN solution that you can use to connect to your HMI while you are somewhere else on a different network, anywhere else in the world. So it works much like the VPN you may use to get onto your corporate or company network.
Gotcha. And I always get confused with this. Is this separate from WinCloud, or is that the same thing with a different name?
Yeah, so WinCloud is kind of like our cloud service offerings. So within WinCloud, we have Easy Access, which is a service, and then we have Dashboard. It's another topic.
Gotcha.
It's also another service within WinCloud. So it's not the same. So if you say, I want to get a WinCloud activation, we have to know what service you want to use, but it's, it's part of WinCloud.
And then if I wanted to connect to a PLC from WinCloud or Easy Access, is that possible?
Actually, that is possible. Yeah, so that's one of the features that we offer with Easy Access. It's called pass-through. So if you're already connecting to your HMI, you can then pass through to a device, and it's really meant for devices that we have a driver for. So if the HMI is communicating using one of the drivers that we have in our HMI software, then you can oftentimes pass through to that device to then update the program in your PLC or other peripheral device.
And then how many drivers do you have available?
We have over 425 drivers, I think.
Large amount.
Yeah, it's a really, I lose count. There's a lot of drivers in our software. So you can communicate with a lot of different peripheral devices through pass-through. It's not the main feature, but because the main thing is to be able to connect and control your HMI, but it's a nice, add-on.
There's a good amount.
Yeah, it's a nice add-on, yeah.
And then next question up is, how do I set this up? Is it a subscription model, or lengthy setup? How does it work?
No lengthy setup. It's not a subscription. It's not a subscription. Actually, I don't think we offer any single add-on service at this time that is a subscription. What it is it's a one-time activation. So you'd activate your HMI with a license key for use with Easy Access, and then you're ready to go.
And then where do I get this license key?
So you would contact sales at WeintekUSA.com to get Easy Access license to make sure you can activate your unit, connect to it.
Yeah, set it up.
Yeah.
Got you. And then last question, as everyone's wondering, in today's world, cybersecurity is super important. So what are the security features behind Easy Access?
So Easy Access, if you check our Easy Access 2.0 datasheet, you'll see it uses 256-bit AES encryption and 2048-bit RSA, which is basically military-grade encryption. So you're using the same encryption standards as our military, so you should be safe.
Yeah.
Yes.
Everyday use is good.
Yeah, everyday use. Yeah, you're safe. Yep.
Sounds good. And that will wrap up the top 5 questions we have for Easy Access. Thank you, Brendan, and thank you for joining us for Weintek-Mas. We'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you.